So Nalini, today we are going to learn dosa from you.
Oh, my favorite.
Is a staple diet for a lot of people, but very hard to make, and a lot of us totally panic about the batter and whether it will spread thin on the pan and won't come out. You're going to teach us all about how to make perfect dosa and the Ayurvedic style with good ingredients. And let's start.
I'd say, making it at home is special because just like yogurt, when you make it at home, it's not over fermented like when you buy the batter from the stores. And yes, it's not so easy to make the batter. The batter is definitely queen.
Okay.
If you get the batter right and the griddle is good, then you're all set.
So the king and the queen.
Yes, absolutely. They have to go together,
So
right?
obviously, so the batter looks like perfect here.
Yes,
I mean,
the
it's got
consistency.
the
consistency.
So here, when you take it, it has to just drop like that.
So one of my students actually had a good similarity. She said it's like ice cream melted. That's the consistency you're looking for, melted ice cream.
Right.
How do you-
Almost like the pancake batter too.
I know.
So what are we going to do first? We're going to add cheese to it.
So we're going to leave this as it is. I want to show you something. So we've gone to eat dosa and we've seen they put a traditional potato filling. So instead of doing potatoes, I wanted to make a healthier dosa. And also we live in San Francisco. We live amongst these amazing fresh vegetables. So we have arugula and baby spinach here.
Okay.
And we have these wonderful cherry tomatoes that are bursting with flavor.
Right. And is this how you're introducing dosa to the mainstream too? I mean, this looks like healthy, no potato dosa, which I think will be
unconventional, and I'd say any South Indian will tell you this is sacrilege. This should never be done. But I think eating fresh is important.
Well, they make plain dosas. All you're doing is putting some vegetables in there.
Yeah.
And so, do you have to steam these a little bit, or?
That's what I wanted to show you. Typically, we'll see in India they will make a vegetable out of it, cook it till you can't see anything of the vegetable. But really, the crepe or the dosa, as I call it here, the Indian crepe, the steam that comes through, which is what you need for the dosa to cook, cooks the vegetable.
Wow! So
That
the small
should be how
holes
it
that
should be.
comes on the dosa gets the
Absolutely.
steam out and cooks
That's
the.
how it should just wilt, and you can taste the flavor, and it's fresh.
Right. So you're putting everything as is,
Absolutely.
like we would say kacha.
Kacha. So I'm going to show you a trick now.
Okay.
And this is cherry tomatoes that we're going to chop in a second. I can't ever claim that every trick in the trade is mine, so I won't say that, but I'd say it's a trick worth learning.
Let's remove that. So you put a lot of cherry tomatoes
So I'm
on
taking,
one lid.
these, we've all seen these takeout containers. Hopefully we have some at home or get them, because this makes life, and we're all about making life easy, but healthy, and really keeping our traditions in mind.
Correct.
So we're taking a sharp knife. Knife has to be sharp, and then just slicing it through.
Wow!
And voila!
Nice.
Easy, right?
Yep. So this
And just
is,
such a medley of colors.
yeah, I know. This is beautiful.
You
Let's
wanna-
see this. So you just cut the tomatoes in half by putting it in between
That's
two
right.
lids, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And so this is what is going in the dosa?
Anything you want. It's like a pizza, right? Dosa can be everything that you put on a pizza.